You and me and rain on the roof, caught up in a summer shower, drying while it soaks the flowers. Maybe we'll be caught for hours, waiting out the sun. You and me were gabbing away, dreaming conversations, sitting in the hay. Honey, how long was I laughing in the rain with you? 'Cause I didn't feel a drop till the thunder brought us to. You and me underneath the roof of tin, mighty comfy feeling how the rain ain't leaking in. We can sit and dry just as long as it can pour, 'cause the way it makes you look, it makes me hope it rains some more. You and me and rain on the roof, caught up in a summer shower, drying while it soaks the flowers. Maybe we'll be caught for hours, waiting out the sun. As you can tell, the dog just walked by and knocked the recorder.